Okay, Sean's actually wiring the last outlet that we're going to do today. We got quite a bit done, but let me show you what lights this outlet is going to power. It's the 2 ceiling lights in the living room. Now, I'll be back in a second to show you everything we did for today. Guys, this is it. We got the 2 front lights. As you can see, I'm real excited about this. Okay, I'm walking slow, walking slow. Look at that. Look. And it's actually on. Okay, we are on generated power. But remember that I told you I'd be back in a couple of seconds. Those are the 2 lights that Sean was wiring. And then we're looking in the kitchen room / den / living room area. I'm going to turn around, and in the master bedroom, there's a light on the ceiling. There's Sean saying, hey! And then all of those lights, if you'll notice, they're plugged in. I'm excited. There's the switch for the living room. Then we have the lights right here on either side. Remember I told you we were putting lights in the extension? Oh, I am too excited. Okay, so this is it for wiring weekend 2. For wire weekend, okay, the next time we come, we're going to be finishing the master bathroom, which is in here. It is, there's lights in here, but they're on the master bedroom circuit. That's the master bedroom. And right now we're looking through a wall. But anyway, this is going to be the kitchen area. We're going to get that all wired up and straight. And then down there, the end, see the window where the scaffolding is and the water machine and all that. That's going to be the laundry room and the other master bathroom area. That's like the master 2. And then this is the master bedroom 2. We'll have to get in here. This is the one that I cleaned out the ceiling and all of that stuff. So until next time, see ya!